Hey guys, today I'm so excited because today me and Ahmad are making Play-Doh. Well, Ahmad's right now washing his hands. You can see that he made a big mess. But we're gonna wait for him before we start. Today we're not gonna use cream of tartar. Today we're gonna experiment with some lemon.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Heavy custom soda.
Let's see if it works, guys. Okay, let's start. Oh, Ahmad's back. Now let's start. First, we're gonna need some salt. Oh yeah, guys, we also have some food coloring to make it really colorful. Woohoo! That's my favorite part.
Mine too.
Okay, first we're gonna need some salt. Let's put some salt.
See what do you have? Salt.
Oh, gosh, take it all.
You have to put 1/4 of salt. Now let's put it. It's your turn, Ahmad. There you go. Okay, guys, now
Next step, Ahmad.
let's put some oil.
Oil? Okay.
This one's oil. This one.
That's half a spoon.
Half a spoon.
Woofla. We're going to put food coloring next. Okay, Ahmad. I've got the food coloring right here.
But I'm going to know.
What color are you gonna pick, Ahmad?
I think I'm going to pick light green.
Light green. Here, let me help you.
Maybe because Slippy used light green. Maybe because he wanted soft. Did you? Can I put myself? Now it's time to put.
I'm going to add light green. And I'm gonna put cherry red.
And glass green. Oh no.
Our Play-Doh is ready and I made mine blue. And now we can play with all the Play-Doh we made.
Ah, my hands got dirty again, guys. Dang it.
Ahmad, guys, look, I've got some glitter. Let's add it to our Play-Doh.
It's not gonna get in.
Do you want to add some glitter to our Play-Doh, Ahmad? Whoa, are you making green noodles?
Yeah, but I'm trying. But this.
What color should I use?
Look.
I'm going to use purple. You can use green because yours is green, or you can use golden.
Maybe I will use green because mine's green. Seriously, I can't noodle. Mom, guys, it's time to do breakfast.
Food time already. Okay.
First, wash your hands.
Okay.
Mama, my hands are dirty again. Look, guys. I need blue squares. I know, but I'm making a sandcastle. Okay. Let's some red. Guys, look! I made a smiley face. I'm making pajamas later.
What are you making, Ahmad?
Huh? I'm making a smiley face.
Oh, cool.
You want my smiley face? Then it's time to eat a smiley face.
What are you almost done with, Ahmad? Triangle.
I'm setting the lines now. My PlayDoh.
You want to know what I'm making, guys?
Yeah. Okay. I'm making a cat.
Look.
Cat has all these. You see that? Maybe you don't have to make that. This looks funny.
Guys, look, I'm done with my cat. Isn't it cool?
My triangle tool always has one.
Let me see, Ahmed. Nice job! Awesome! High five! You did a great job! Now we're gonna play with our Play-Doh.
Bye.
Bye! Make sure to subscribe,
Like
and share!